Bible Whisper English, the story of Jonah and the whale. Learn English step by step. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Bible Whisper English, your gentle guide to learning English through the meaningful stories of the Bible. I am so glad you are here today. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us continue sharing more gentle, inspiring English lessons through Bible stories. Today, we will learn English slowly, step by step, with the story of Jonah and the whale. This story teaches us about obedience, faith, prayer, and God's mercy. It is not only a story, but a lesson for our hearts and minds. We will read the story slowly, explain all the difficult words and phrases, and practice using them. If you are a beginner in English, do not worry. This lesson is made especially for you. Take your time. Repeat after me. Listen carefully. Imagine yourself in the story. Feel the calm, gentle guidance of God, just like I am speaking to you softly, like a father guiding his children. As we go through this story, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments. You can write your favorite part, or how you think you can apply the lesson in your life. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we are walking together slowly and peacefully. Let us begin with a calm heart and open mind. Jonah was a man chosen by God. One day, God spoke to Jonah and said, "Go to the city of Nineveh. Tell the people to stop doing bad things. Tell them to follow me and live a good life." Jonah listened carefully, but he was afraid. He thought, "The people in Nineveh are very bad. They might not listen to me. I don't want to go there." So Jonah decided to run away. He went to the port city and got on a ship that was going to Tarshish, far away from Nineveh. Jonah thought he could escape from God, but God is everywhere. God sees all things. He knows our hearts and our thoughts. As the ship sailed, suddenly a big storm came. The wind blew strongly. The waves were very high. The sailors were scared. They tried to control the ship, but it was too difficult. They prayed to their own gods. They said, "Please save us. We don't want to die." Jonah was sleeping at the bottom of the ship. The captain found him and said, "Why are you sleeping? Don't you care that we are in danger?" Jonah knew that the storm was because of him. He told the sailors, "Throw me into the sea and the storm will stop." The sailors were afraid, but the storm was too strong. They finally listened to Jonah. Jonah was thrown into the sea. Immediately, the storm stopped. The sea became calm. God sent a big fish, a whale, to save Jonah. Jonah stayed in the belly of the whale for 3 days and 3 nights. Inside the whale, Jonah prayed to God. He said, "Dear God, I am sorry. I will obey you. Please save me." God heard Jonah's prayer. The whale swam to the shore and spat Jonah out. Jonah was safe on dry land. He remembered God's words and obeyed him. He went to Nineveh and told the people, "Stop doing bad things. Follow God and live a good life." The people of Nineveh listened to Jonah. They changed their ways. God was happy, and the city was saved. This story reminds us that we cannot run away from God. Even when we make mistakes, we can pray, ask for guidance, and choose the right path. God is merciful and gives us second chances. Now, let's learn some important words and phrases from this story. Repeat after me slowly, clearly. Chosen by God means được Chúa chọn. Example, Jonah was chosen by God to deliver God's message. Obeyed means vâng lời, tuân theo. Example, Jonah obeyed God and went to Nineveh. Swallowed means nuốt. Example, the whale swallowed Jonah. Prayed means go nguyện. Example, Jonah prayed to God inside the whale. Storm means, example, a big storm came while Jonah was on the ship. Stop doing bad things means mung làm điều xấu. Example, Jonah told the people of Nineveh to stop doing bad things. 3 days and 3 nights means ba ngày ba đêm. Example, Jonah stayed in the whale for 3 days and 3 nights. Big fish means whale. Example, God sent a big fish to save Jonah. Mercy means lòng tin xót. Example, God showed mercy to the people of Nineveh. Message means hum til. Example, Jonah delivered God's message to the people. Practice using these words in sentences. Repeat after me. I prayed before I went to sleep. I will obey my teacher. Please stop doing bad things. God shows mercy to everyone. Now, let us practice using the story in our daily life. Imagine you are Jonah. You are afraid to do the right thing. What would you do? Think slowly. We all make mistakes sometimes. But like Jonah, we can pray, ask for guidance, and choose to do the right thing. Try these sentences and repeat after me. I will obey my parents and teachers. When I make a mistake, I will pray and ask for help. I will show mercy to others who make mistakes. I will follow God's guidance every day. Notice how each word connects to our life. This is why we learn English through stories, not just words. Stories help us remember vocabulary and understand meaning deeply. The story of Jonah and the whale teaches us 3 important lessons: obedience, prayer, and mercy. Always listen to God and do what is right. When you are in trouble, pray and ask for guidance. God forgives us, and we should forgive others too. Remember, learning English is not just about words. It is also about understanding stories, lessons, and life. By learning slowly and carefully, we strengthen both our English skills and our hearts. Thank you for learning English today with the story of Jonah and the whale. I hope you enjoyed this gentle lesson. Remember to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Bible Whisper English. Share your favorite part of the story or the words you learned today in the comments. Practice every day. Repeat the words, phrases, and sentences. Think about the lessons in your life. Stay calm, be patient, and enjoy learning. God bless you. See you in the next video, where we will learn English slowly with another Bible story.